everyone, I am doing a quick review of these shoes. Not really a review because I just tried them on and they're going back because these are almost a little over 4-inch heels. This color is stunning, beautiful, amazing. If they made this in a shorter heel and maybe a chunky heel, totally down for it. But you can see that slope, and it's not even an arch. It's just, you're literally on your tippy toes wearing these. I do love, let me close up on the details. I love that they're suede and this chain detail, so subtle. And if you don't know Hermes, you probably wouldn't even know. There's Hermes leather right here. I got these in a 7 and they are this like super soft, no grip whatsoever on the bottom. Color 10 out of 10. Comfort 1 out of 10, if that. And this, it is cool because it adjusts. However, I guess I have thicker ankles and I'm literally at the last hole punch and it's a little too tight for me. It has the date code, I believe, on the inside right there. And I love, even though it is a skinny heel, I probably wouldn't mind it if it was maybe half an inch to an inch shorter. 3-inch, I could totally walk in these. But this right here, oh, it's so pretty. I love the toe box. It's not super square and obnoxious like Bottega Veneta's, and it's just so dainty and beautiful and classic, and your foot just looks so elegant right there. However, did not work for me, will not work for me. This color is amazing. I wish they would come out with more colors like this. But yeah, if you guys are interested in these and you don't mind walking in very high heels, definitely go for these. I can't do it. I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed it. Please subscribe, follow me on my socials, and I'll see you next time. Bye.